Hello there, good morning. It's 8:44 right now, and yes, I am walking towards the Nifty Chowk, Nifty Naka. यहाँ से almost 10 minutes of walk है, almost 7 to 10 minutes. So, what we are going to do there? We will wait for the bus, which is called लालपरी. यहाँ पे लालपरी बोलते हैं उसको. It is MSRTC bus. वो डिटेल में नहीं बोल रहे होगे, सबको मालूम है of course. So we are going to go for that college for interview purpose. I really don't want to do this and really don't want to get the job there. Just dad says I'm going there. Agar if I don't go there, dad will scold me. He will get into tension, and then fight will happen little bit. Why to do this? Just go, right? What I have to do after just to go. So I'm not going to do the time pass. I have recommended that can I take the car. He says no. I mean, he didn't say no. He says like, see, everything is connected by bus. Why you wanted to take the car? And it's really true. Like, why? I mean, yeah. But then I also thought like, why to drive the fucking car, bro? We can just sit into the bus, let that driver drive that bus, and we can work on our laptop. We can do the lectures. That will be productive traveling, right? Rather than just doing and driving. I probably guess so. This is a good thing. So I said okay. So now heading towards that. The second thing, we are not going to do time pass. We are going to do the lecture. The trading lecture, which is remaining almost 6 to 7 videos are still remaining of the lecture. So, and also while I was doing shower today, I literally realized that we were using the studies in a wrong way. The percentage, like the addition of the confluences, the trades we were taking, it is like almost 110, 120%. But that was seriously not a good trade, because the engulfing candle, this is the main thing. The engulfing candle thing was not getting included in that. The correct area of interest was not getting implemented in that. So that's the reason we were heading towards the losses rather than heading towards a profit. So this is what I'm getting from that lecture. So yeah, we'll still continue that lectures. After that, after finishing that, we wanted to do the Sunday swings lecture. The Sunday swings lecture having a lot of information of like analysis, predictions, how he do again the same, but still it's a bit different, right? So we're going to go for that as well. Then by Monday we're going to start the trading. I can right now start the trading from right now, but no, I want to gather the information, get practice by that, and then we can start to do the trading using that exact thing. So now I'm crossing the road. I'll keep the fucking phone now. Yeah, I crossed the road, and just I can just shoot for like 5 minutes of video, so no more than that for today, whole day. I can't video edit also because I don't have power bank to charge the phone. It's worst, okay? It's worst. I think I will buy the iPhone, but not by daddy's money, just a self-made. So that's why I won't buy it up till now. So yeah, let's do for it. Let's अभी सामने ही चौक है. That is the Nifty Chowk. So we'll go there, take the bus, and after sitting the bus, I'll start on the laptop and straightforward directly going to the lecture, not waiting, not doing the time pass. Signing off. Okay, so I have reached to the stop, and yeah, थोड़ी बहुत भीड़ है यहाँ पे, but we'll manage. I don't think so. We can get able. I mean, we can get the seats for sure, because यहाँ पे almost 20% full हो रही है. So nope. Man, this is seriously worse. Waiting for the bus, it actually takes time, so I will start doing the lecture right away rather than sitting and like. So yeah, I am going to do the lectures from YouTube. So YouTube can play by a screen lock, so we will be saving the battery somewhat rather than just keeping the screen on, right? So let's go for it. Hi guys, so it's a 40 fucking minutes I'm standing here. Guess what? No bus up till now. And if I won't be doing the lecture, I mean it's a business lecture. If I won't be doing the business lecture, what the fuck? I waste my 40 minutes was standing and waiting for what? So it's better to always put in the headphones and continuously do the lectures rather than wasting time. Now particularly at this moment I should be focusing on doing the trading lectures, but I won't be able to do how I can even. So this is only the thing I can able to do. So yeah. Hi there. So yeah, we got the bus and I have predicted there is no place. You wanna see? It is full right. So you have to stand there. It's better to stand there rather than standing in bus. It's mostly same. Hi there. So it's 2 hours and 11 minutes from the I'm traveling just for some couple of kilometers. What the fuck, man? It's worse. So now I am in Arifata. Yes, I am in Arifata. My goodness. So now we have to go for Mansar. So they say that go and wait for the Pune bus and then sit into the Pune bus and drop to Mansar. Let's see. It's the Ahilya Nagar, right? So right now it's 12 o'clock. They says that Pune की बस आएगी तो यहाँ पे कब आएगी? I haven't asked the time. Maybe I don't know. I mean I don't see more repetition of buses. Maybe it will take like half an hour. So I missed news आई है कि there are a lot of buses are not working here because some buses are diverted to Pandharpur. So the कमी है बस की यहाँ पे in short. So maybe half an hour to 1 hour waiting period. I hate this waiting period like anything. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the lectures for sure. No wastage of time. I did. So we got the second bus for sure. Same situation. So yeah, dropping probably कैसे यहाँ से ना almost 30 kilometers will take like half an hour, maybe 60 kilometers there. So hi there. So now it's 13:11 right now, and I just reached here to Mansar. And guess what? यहाँ पे rain, बारिश आई and I just forgot my umbrella. So thinking now it's 4 kilometers here. From here I'm looking to do something like sharing rickshaw or something like that, or some private rickshaw. We'll see how it goes. Hey there. So I'm currently walking here, and yeah, सामने rickshaw वाले. It will just take maximum 20 rupees to go for like 4 kilometers. That will be good, signing off. Yeah. Hi there. I reached to college. I mean, this is the entrance, and I can just shoot like 1 minute of video. I need to delete something. Let's see what else I can delete. Hi there. So yesterday I have uploaded the videos. So now यहाँ पे 2 कॉलेज है, एक एक डिप्लोमा एक डिग्री. एंड नाउ आई एम हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द डिग्री कॉलेज. Seriously appreciate the environment here. It's seriously awesome like anything. So now I can shoot for 7 minutes of video, but the issue is battery is just 62%. That is just not good at all. Probably yes, I love this. This is good, isn't it? Yeah, this is probably good. So I'm again saying that it's a lot of time to come here. It's of 3 hours, man. 3 hours. We haven't even fucking reached here. But the thing is, to be honest, I really don't want to do the job here for kitna bhi bolo 30-40,000. 30-40,000 is extreme. I probably guess so. But this is what not my value is. 30,000 is not that. My value is fucking crores. You will see. Signing off. We'll just close the net and restore things to save the battery if possible. I will Also, plug the charge. Charger. I bring the charger, but the thing is, I don't know. I have the plug to plug the charger. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Signing off. So I'm in the college. College is good. I love the environment, bro. Seriously. Hi there. So basically, I'm waiting here, waiting for sir to come as they gone for lunch. Yeah, after they come, we'll move forward with the things and let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see. Hello there. So basically, it sucks. I have reached the sir, and sir says, "Oh, just ME. About what about? Sorry, just BE. What about ME masters? You haven't done masters?" I said no. Then he says like, "Oh, we need masters. We can't. Then we can't move away." I will tell you. Just give me a minute. I will just go out from here. So basically, यहाँ से there is no Uber. But I mean, Uber is there, but we can consider it's non because we have to call and then I mean he says that we have to call. Rickshaw wala says that there is no Uber here, so it's an issue. यहाँ पे रिक्शा वाले आते. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. Okay. Right now I'm just going to the rickshaw stop. If rickshaw is there, most probably the rickshaw is not going to be there. We'll most probably take the lift from someone if possible. I haven't tried that, but what if it works? Yeah, signing off. Because we'll save the time, like half an hour. So it's 4 kilometers from here. It's not a joke, 4 kilometers. So we need someone to drop us there. Yeah. So what I was saying, that yes, he says that we need ME, not BE. So I was like, oh, that was not mentioned in the ad. And he was like, oh no, that was not mentioned in the ad, but it was mentioned in the website. I was like, oh, sucks. Now what? Now it literally sucks. Now we literally say waste our half day almost. Now we're going to, it's a 14:24. I haven't ate. This is tank water. So it sucks, bro. It sucks. I haven't drank. Yeah, I have drank the water. Gone to the washroom after a long journey. Like it takes 4 hours, bro. 4 hours. I previously said it's three, but no, it's a fucking 4 hours. And after 4 hours, the result is like no. And yes, I wanted this result, but not in this way. Not the way in this. So yeah, now we are going to go there. See how it's going. Oh, there's a talk. We'll eat something, bro. We'll eat something. Why the environment is super top notch here. Look at this environment, bro. Just look. It really reminds my time. It really reminds my college years. It was pretty good. I was just going into mountain rather than sitting into the lecture. But yeah, this is how it goes. Now I probably will not eat here. We'll try to find a way how we can go the fucking bus stop, bro. We'll see. I have asked the locals, students here, like how we can go to bus stand, and what they say is, you know what they say? They say that unfortunately, bro, you're gonna have to take the lift from here. Yeah, this is not city. This is how it goes. Let's see if lift comes or not. Bus stand. Thank you, Dada. So we finally got them. So there. So we finally came. Who helped me? तुमचं नाव? सुजित रासकर. यांचं दुकान आहे कुठे? एक साईडचं शॉप आहे ना तुमचं?
हो, मार्केट मंचर,
मार्केट
बाजार समिती मंचर.
हो,
अमोल बॅटरी म्हणून.
अमोल नक्की विजिट करा.
Left, then your destination will be on the right.
Definitely visit there. Signing off. Hey there. So we have reached here to a bus stand. Oh man, I really don't know which one I should choose. Man, look at the fucking गर्दी. ऐसा लग रहा है कि we have to stand, man. Look at the गर्दी. अरे. We'll ask someone where the Ahmednagar or some Aripata bus is there. We'll see. We'll try. Okay, so now I ate vada pav here, as my dad calls. mandatory है the vada pav और 70 आ गई तो फिर क्या है ना. So I have kept the phone on charge. It is like 53% now. Waiting for the bus. I literally there is no signboards, nothing. The buses are waiting anywhere. I mean no organized way. How people are coming into the bus if they don't know. So yeah, my phone storage is totally over almost, and I can just shoot like 3 minutes of video. Most probably this might be my last video because shooting the video is taking like battery and the storage as well. So we have seriously missed the today's trading thing and business thing. It's just fucking traveling like anything. It's of no use. And public transport, I really don't prefer public transport from now. Waiting sucks, man. And now I can't. Yeah, I can do the business lecture right now. Yeah, we have somewhat battery, but after 40%, no, we can't use the phone at all because it's in a full power saving mode. Now, I'm just keeping the phone now. Signing off. So the bus came and was gone. Have I hopped into it? No. Why? So much gardi, bro. Oh, there is no place to come. I mean, not for even standing. See this. Like this. So much. The bus is big, but people are also big. Very huge amount of people. Issue, bro. Issue. In this crowd, how I can get this place? Public transport sucks. Either same scene. No place, no issue. This is what rule we have to apply today to go to home. So yeah, now we have sit on a bus. I mean, not sit, literally. We got a bus going to Ayapata and then going to Nagar. I can literally shoot this 1.54 minutes of video. Man, kaha ja raha hai story? Sahi. Hello there. So yes, I can shoot 5 minutes of video. So it's a 4:07 right now. It's a 4:07 right now, and I have reached to Ayapata. From here, it will take 2 hours to go to Nagar. And waiting for bus. Then this is how it goes. I hope there will be place because now I can't use the phone. I have to close every single thing. Because it's now 39%. Now we can't do the lectures because if we do, then it will drain up to. मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है, मेरी आवाज़ रिकॉर्ड तो भी हो रही है, I don't know. So yeah, this is it. Signing off. Here we go. So ये है नगर की बस आ गई है and it is totally full. And the people who are going to board are this much amount of people. So the probability of us getting the seat or even getting on board on that bus is almost 0.01%. Am I going to dare for board? Of course not, because it is of no use going in. The amount of people are coming down, the same amount of people are going up, and it is totally full. It is of no use by just staying in line. So we'll stay away, you know. Wait for another bus. What else we can do, right? Another private cars, I don't trust that. So yeah, there is only one option we have. Signing off then. And it's 4:41. We're waiting here from like probably it's 40 fucking minutes, and the legs are dying like now the legs start paining. Now we can't do anything. We don't have any options. We have to go through this process to go home. So I hate this, guys. I have took the information, and guess what? The worst part is only 2 buses are there for going to Nagar, and yeah, no, man, guess what, brother, it will be so hard to go to Nagar by MSRTC. Maybe that now most probably the last 2 buses are there. There will be so demand. That's why the bus will be full like anything. That means there will be no place. That means no trading study. That means no laptop. At least I wanted to reach to then we'll see what to do. But yeah, brother, it starts. Okay, now 2 bus already gone, but it's of Nashik. Maybe this is what they might be referring. That 2 bus are left. Maybe they are referring this. Let's see if at least one Nagar ki bus hai na, that will be okay. Then we'll understand that yes, with the buses hai, one more is left, so that we can strategize the thing. First bus में सब गर्दी जाएंगी, second bus में गर्दी नहीं रहेगी. Maybe. I mean this is what I'm thinking. Fuck. It is worse, man. Public transport is seriously worse. Now I have wasted my almost, how much? Oh my god, 2 hours and 10 minutes. And I'm waiting from like 1 hour and 10 minutes. I haven't done the lectures. I haven't done this business thing. I haven't done the trading thing. What the fuck is going on? I hate this. This was the worst decision I have ever made today, that coming out from the house. Hey, the worst is this drop somewhere else. Guys, looks like that it is going to take a lot more time. I don't know when it is going to come. Damn it, bro. I will update you. This is like a time wasting. How to waste the time? ऐसे वीडियो निकालना चाहिए आज वो टाइटल ही देता हूँ. Seriously. Hello guys, finally it's 18:70. That means 6:17 हो रहा है, and we got the bus. Yes, we finally got the bus, and it is direct bus. So yes, we can also now. Yes, seat is also there. We can do the lectures for now. We can do the lectures. This is so good thing, and I can't even use the phone, so I only have the laptop to use. So yeah, this is how it goes. I will call my mom, dad, and say this anymore. Guys, seriously, we have wasted almost like 2 hours and 19 minutes here. Seriously wasted. I can say wasted because there was no lecture ongoing. There was nothing. So now let's do the trading lectures right away. And we are still in a bus stand, man. Still, I have called to my dad and said everything, and then still we निकलेगी. It might take almost like 2 hours. Laptop भी shut down हो जाएगा तब तक. But yes, we can do this. Signing off. Lecture has started, guys. Hi there. So I'm about to reach, and just 10 seconds of video I can shoot. So I was doing that. I've learned all the psychological aspects we need to be there in the trading. So this is what it is. I will call it a day. Maybe I'll shoot a video. Maybe if I could. So signing off. Oh yeah, I'm reaching home within like half an hour max. I'm dropping. So I reach at home finally. horn बजा रही था. And it's 20:47. Whole day wasted. From that whole day, we can say like almost 5 hours wasted. But rest of the times, I tried to manage, to learn to multiply the time. But overall, it wasted. Signing off. I reached.